I have, over the last 24 hours, put up 2 articles on the benefits of co-parenting and 50-50 shared parenting. It is the way to go. The evidence is growing, and that's not just hearsay. This is research done by professionals that are either psychologists, social welfare workers, lawyers, judges, etc., that are producing documentation around the benefits of 50-50 contact care, guardianship and maintenance. I myself personally have been drumming that drum for 20, going on 21 years now. It's very simple. From birth, automatic 50-50 contact care, guardianship and maintenance, irrespective of marital status, culture, tradition, religion, or other norms and practices. The overwhelming, compelling evidence that says that if you have 50-50 contact care, guardianship and maintenance, or shared parenting, it can only benefit the child, because both parents bring different, unique aspects to raising a child that are absolutely vital in order to raise that child into a fully functional adult. The research is in, people. The fact that lawyers, advocates, psychologists, social welfare workers, judges and magistrates, the Department of Social Development, the Minister of Social Development, etc., refuses to make the rights of fathers automatic as that of a mother, says to us that there is another agenda here. That is the only possible outcome. Okay, so we are saying enough is enough, and it's very simple. Automatic 50-50 contact care, guardianship and maintenance. Parenting plans must be concluded within 90 days from date of separation. What are you going to go and do as a couple? Because it's automatic 50-50 contact care, guardianship and maintenance, you are merely going to go and discuss logistics and maintenance. Logistics is very simple. There's obviously got to be a plan if the child is a baby or young. There's got to be sound, clear directives that supports both mother and father, and most specifically the child, in establishing and maintaining that contact. And the other thing is obviously that if the child is older, going to nursery school, play school, and normal school, or primary or high school, it's very simple, assuming that the swap out date is on a Friday and the child has been, or the children have been with daddy this week. It's very simple. Daddy drops the children off at school on Friday morning and mommy collects the children on Friday afternoon. Very simple. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. The other thing that then needs to be looked at is maintenance. Maintenance is a very simple mathematical equation. What does daddy earn? What does mommy earn? And what are the proper, not reasonable, proper costs of maintaining the child within the confines of the earning capacity of both mommy and daddy, and that is either on a 50-50 basis or prorated if one of the parents is a higher earner. Very simple, clean, dusted. Thank you very much. The other thing that I would like to introduce right now is this garbage, this nonsense of invariably the mothers taking the children and fleeing or demanding to be able to relocate. It is our direct experience. Relocation of the child has nothing to do whether daddy is good, bad, or indifferent. It is about the mother wanting to sever, destroy, and alienate the child from the father. We already have the scientific or the research that has come in that says to us that 40% of mothers have admitted to directly interfering with the continued relationship of the father with the children. Another 50% of mothers say, and this is research, please go and look at our Facebook, YouTube, and website, for the research, please go and do it, that says that 50% of mothers see no value in the father's continued relationship with the child post-divorce or separation. That ties into other research that we did that says that 50% of fathers in South Africa describe themselves as totally alienated from their children. An additional 24% of fathers tell us that they are partially alienated from their children. We also know that specifically that lawyers do advise mothers to make false allegations of DV against the father with the direct specific intent to destroy, sever and alienate the father from the children. This is not in the best interest of the children. Very simply put, we are not playing games anymore. You had the child together, you raised the child together. If you did not see yourself raising that child with that person or that parent, very simply put, is you are the problem, not the other parent. We are very clear on that point. We are in direct communication with the Department of Social Development. I have finally managed to get a foot in with the Minister and Deputy Minister. We are waiting for direct meetings with the Minister of Social Development because we are done. You cannot consistently point the finger at fathers and say, "Ooh, look at all these bad fathers." When we have been standing here screaming from the mountaintop saying, "We are here, we are available, we want to take responsibility, we are taking responsibility, and it's now time for the government and the feminists to shut up, because we are saying we acknowledge that there are problems, we are here to work with you, and we are here to fix those problems." We are simply not playing games any longer. Fathers, because the government and the Department of Social Development refuses to move with or expedite the matters, because we have been talking directly for 5 years now. Do we have to wait another 5 years? Is that what you're telling us? Okay, fathers are simply not the problem any longer. We know that there is a problem or problems. We are here to work and cooperate with you. The fact that you do not want to engage us tells us that there is another agenda here. If you are having problems, please reach out to us. We're available to assist you with either mediation, litigation, or a combination of both. There are charges associated with that. If you have a normal issue, that is a normal consultation fee. And if you are having a court case within the next 2 to 3 weeks, to bump you forward in the queue, that obviously is an additional charge. And we can assist you with any legal matter related to contact care, guardianship and maintenance, divorce, etc., etc., etc. I will put the 2 articles along with the references to those 2 articles in this video below. And it will also be, I will also take this video along with a YouTube video and put it into both articles, as well as cross-reference it from the YouTube side as well. And it will also be going up on our Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and I don't know what else is out there, a Bumble, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Have a fantastic day.